Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz, Group Policy MVP and founder of PolicyPak Software. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate two special policies that we have for Browser Router. One is called All Intranet to IE Policy. The other one is called All Enterprise from Edge to IE Policy. Now, these are both actually regarding Edge. These items are available as regular garden variety group policy settings, but we've also got them in Browser Router. And let me demonstrate what they're meant for and how you would use them. So for instance, this because Edge only works with Windows 10, that's only going to come into play right here. So let's say you are in Edge and you decide to go to, say, a site that's on your enterprise site list. For instance, in a previous video, I made an enterprise site list for Microsoft.com, and you can see that, well, it's still hanging out in Edge. Not really what I want. What I really want is I want all things that are on the enterprise site list to go from Edge to Internet Explorer. So when I click enabled here, we're saying that if we've got any items like this one that's in the enterprise mode site list, so I'm making Microsoft.com force into the IE8 enterprise mode. When I've done that, okay, at that point now, if I'm in Edge, Edge should force open Internet Explorer. Let's go ahead and see if that happens. I'll go ahead and run GP update here. I'll go ahead and close that out. So let's go back to Edge here, and we'll go to www.microsoft.com. And boom, Edge automatically force opens up Internet Explorer, and we put it in the site list dynamically. So this gives you an ability from Edge to force open Internet Explorer because it's in the site list. Now, here's another one. Let's say here's the other policy. If we go to msn.com as an example here, this isn't on a site list or anything. Let's force it for now, for the purposes of this demonstration here. Let me go ahead and force it into, say, trusted sites, so, or local intranet rather. So if I click on sites here and I click advanced, I'm going to add in msn.com into local intranet. All right, so now that I've done that here, let's go ahead and in Edge, if I go to msn.com, well, right now you can see that it renders in Edge, which maybe isn't what we want. If we want to instead, we can right-click, add a new special policy that says All Intranet to IE Policy. And what this is going to do is for Edge only, we're going to open up, okay, any item that's currently in the intranet zone, all right, and force open Internet Explorer. So we'll go ahead and run GP update and see what happens. All right, and we'll go ahead and close this out. Now, 10 seconds ago, when I went to MSN, where did it go? Well, it stayed in Edge. Now, if I go to msn.com, because we've specified that this is an intranet site, it will, boom, force open in Internet Explorer. So we're force routing the items from Edge directly to Internet Explorer because we're saying do that for the items that are in intranet zone. Okay, so we're taking advantage of something that already exists inside of Group Policy and Microsoft Edge, but we're putting it in a nice one-stop shop place for you. This gives you the advantage to create your dynamic enterprise mode site lists, okay, using PolicyPak Browser Router, and also set the policies you need to do what you need to force Edge to open up Internet Explorer under those conditions. If you have any questions, we're here for you, and I hope you can take advantage of this right away. Thanks.